hit the thumbs up, that's a like. Then hit subscribe and hit that bell. Hey, Mr. Smith here. And today I'm going to show you how easy it is to draw one of the minions. One of the minions from Despicable Me 4. I'm talking about Mega Minion Jerry. He's huge, buff. He looks like the Thing or either the Hulk, Minion style. I really like how he turned out, so I wanted to try to draw him, and I want to show you how easy it would be to draw him. So you need to go get your pencils, crayons, markers, whatever you have, and follow along and draw with me. And let's go! First, I'm going to make a circle for his whole entire body. Then, a little bit close to the top, I'm going to make another circle for his mono goggle. And another circle inside of that. Jerry has one eye. We're going to make his eyelid. And cornea and pupil, and another little circle for a highlight. I'm making a few of the dents and textures. Now I'm going to make the outside of his strap for his mono goggle, and then I'm going to make the inside for that strap and connect them with the strap with 3 horizontal lines. Making some more of the shapes going around. He's kind of rocky like the moon. Lots of texture going over and under. I'm on the other side of the goggle, getting ready to connect the strap, the top strap, the bottom, and the line in between. Now, working on some of the cracks and crevices in his skin. They're all kind of shapes and lines. Just have fun making things that look like rocks. To me, they also look like popcorn shapes. If you ever look at popcorn, some of those shapes in there remind me of that. They also remind me of what an actual brain looks like. Alright, that is not a nose. That is just more of those shapes. I am starting to make the curving line that goes around for his mouth. It's kind of like a horizontal crooked 8 that looks sick. It's not exactly an 8, but it's kind of, he has this crooked mouth and these awful teeth. He needs to go see an orthodontist or something. Get some braces, get some caps. He needs something, because these teeth are like, woo. But the teeth aren't as bad as the skin texture. And that's what we're going to be spending a lot of time on doing the skin texture. These teeth are basically vertical lines. And now we're back to this skin texture, these jagged lines that go this way and that. All I can say is just make shapes. They don't have to be connected. Some can be sitting right in the middle. You can go forward and back, up and down, left and right. Sometimes little shapes, sometimes long lines. They're all over the place. They're vertical lines, they're horizontal lines, they're diagonal lines. Now I'm getting ready to figure out where his pants are going to come in, because the pants are going to be a curving line near the bottom of the circle. And then he has these gigantic pockets. They are huge. To tell the truth, they're not really pockets. These are overalls, and that's just the way they've come down because of the shape of his whole head is transformed into these big, gigantic, rocky looking creature. Now I'm going in for the other opening on his overalls and making those skin shapes in that. I'm putting an arm on the right side and a hand. It's really a glove. Looks like a cloud. his center pocket, which is a curving line, has these little circles on it. Now I'm putting these 2 vertical lines and making his boot. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side and making the other boot curving around, coming back up. Now we need to make his other arm and hand curving around and connecting. I'm going to make some of those shapes on the hand. We almost have him. Need some more shapes on his bottom part of his face, and then we are just about ready to start coloring. As you see, I'm making V's, I'm making Y's, I'm making zigzags, I'm going up and down. The lines can just be all over the place. I've uploaded my drawing to my iPad. Now I'm going to start adding color. This is where you can use your markers, your crayons. I am going to pull a reference picture out, and I'm going to use this reference picture so that I can get my colors right. See, when you have an iPad and you have a picture in there, you can actually touch the picture and it will load. You can use those colors from the picture directly to your artwork. So I just touch certain areas on the drawing to get the darker tones, lighter tones, or different colors, and then I can start doing a fill inside these different areas. Now if you got any holes, it will spread out. Believe me, I've had it spread out and saturate my whole picture. Now I will also be adding texture and other things to this, and highlights and shadows, so much that I can't actually show you everything, but you're going to see the majority of what I do to get to my end product. And make sure that you stay to the very, very end, because I have added a little Jerry animation drawing at the very end. I always like to have a little something special at the end, so make sure you watch my whole video. Please like, and if you really like my channel, subscribe to my channel. And there's a button on there that says share. You can share my video with a friend. But always, always, please remember, once you come back one time, come back again and see something else. And always never forget about Mr. Smith's Art Room for Kids. And that's kids of all ages. Look at me, I'm not even going to tell you how old I am. But I like Despicable Me 4. And I sat down and I watched it and I got some good laughs out of it. It's a very entertaining family movie, and I just love how they made Jerry look like this. I'm like, wow, they really transformed him into something else. I should have put a picture of the Hulk in here so you can see, but I actually think he looks more like the Thing than the Hulk. Yeah, the Thing, because the Thing really has that orangey, rocky-like texture, and Jerry really looks rocky. Alright, keep on watching. Come back and see me again. I hope your artwork turns out good, and I hope you tried to draw this. It's a whole lot of fun. So keep on coming back and visiting old Mr. Smith and the Smith Art Room for Kids.